Yo, what's good, what's good, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger. So this video, I'm gonna dive right into this, fam. I'm gonna put y'all in the game of self-care, you know what I'm saying, how to really feel good on a day-to-day basis, you know. So if you're new to the channel, do me a huge and down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications, fam. And stay tuned throughout the whole video because you may catch some gems. So, fam, the ultimate self-care menu right here is something so short and simple that could really help change your life and really benefit your life within like 30 days of just staying consistent and really putting this with the plan that you have for your life, you know what I'm saying? So the first one, right, this is a list of 9, loving actions that you can take, right, to really take care of yourself. So the first one being is, okay, and I'm gonna kind of be going back and forth because I kind of got it down in a journal right now, right, on some notes stuff to really share the gems with y'all. So the first one is to take a few deep breaths, you know what I'm saying, for 5 minutes. What taking deep breaths really does is like to help center yourself back to the present moment. So a lot of the stuff that's going on outside of us, a lot of the times be chaos. And it's to keep us like not from really being centered and grounded. So just doing breath work for at least like 5 minutes each of your day, or each hour or something like that, to really just help you calm down. It helps with anxiety. It helps with just being able to process what is actually going on instead of just overreacting on it. So the second one, right, is to stretch your body out, right? Stretch your muscles, really get to moving and having the energy flow throughout the body, right? Because what I mean is a lot of the times energy gets like clogged within our first 3 energy chakras, right? The root, the sacral, and the solar. So no energy is flowing. So imagine like if you always just sitting around, and then at that you may be the type to be on social media or give in to like what the distractions that they put out, to cause you to really be distracted over what's really going on in your life, right? And that's why it's real important to really just take time to really stretch, because you'll have a lot of energy flowing. You'll feel a lot better. The third one, right, is to spend some time in the sun. Like if you are in an area right now that has sunlight, hey, take advantage of it for real, because right now Texas is like, yeah, we still get sunlight throughout the day. It's like around like 2, but probably like 3 or 4. But then it gets back cold. Like it started to change the season. So a lot of times it's like cold, but the sun is trying to creep out. So if you got that natural sunlight right now, take advantage of it. Be out in the sun for at least like 5 minutes. What I would tell people when it comes to sun gazing is to connect with the sun, but you can't connect right away, like just stare, because you start having blind spots pop up, right? The little black dots and everything. So you gotta kind of build up that connection. So I'll say like look at the sun for like 5 seconds, look away. Look at it for 5 seconds without blinking, look away. What that is doing is giving you natural vitamin D. So you are literally connecting the crown chakra directly to the sun. So you can do that, on a day-to-day basis for at least 5 minutes, and watch, you're gonna see a whole change happen in your life. So we're gonna go to the next one, to the fourth one, which is, read a chapter of a book, your favorite book, or if it's an informative book, a fictional book, like whatever really just helps you to really detach from what's going on, all the BS, all the bills that gotta be paid. What can help you tap into your own zone to just be like, okay, I'm feeling better, let's get back on track, right? And then if that's reading a chapter, you know what I'm saying, read a chapter for at least like 10 minutes, or read a book for at least like 10 minutes, try to finish the chapter and watch. You doing that for a consistent amount basis, like doing that for at least like 30 days, right? You will start seeing a difference, bro. You will start feeling better. It'll turn into a good habit, and then you will start rewiring the bad habits to the good habits, right? So the fourth one, right? Oh, I said that was the fourth one. The fifth one is to meditate, bro. Meditate for at least 10 minutes a day. So meditation is really the thing that I feel like a lot of people should slowly tap into, because it's like really detaching from this physical being, this body, and really connected with the quantum, and being able to heal diseases, sicknesses, and manifest almost instantly with tapping in with yourself and meditating. And then it's like a sense of like you're focusing at the same time, like doing breath work, really focusing on your breath, but going within, right? And it's like you can get a lot of answers to a lot of things. Like you're your own solution to your problems, bro, your intuition. So meditate for at least 10 minutes, and you will really start to see the physical upgrades as well as the inner upgrades, right? And really become more aware of your inner child and what your inner child really needs. So with the sixth one, right, is to burn your favorite candle, right? Like burn your favorite candle. That's always a sensational feeling. Sensational. It's always a sensational feeling whenever you burn a candle and you're able to turn on some little smooth jazz music, you know what I'm saying, or whatever you really into, or a frequency, or just to read in that moment, or just to be really present with yourself, you know what I'm saying. But to light your favorite candle, take time out of your day, light your favorite candle, read a book, sit back in your chair, really just chill. It's always a vibe doing that. So the seventh one, right, is to take a walk outside. Like for me personally, I love taking morning walks as soon as I get up, because like also on the side I'm a day trader, so it's like trading in the morning. It's kind of like I got so used to getting up and then getting my mindset right, which is walking and breathing, and if it's any excessive just loudness in my mind, I'm able to really just dissect what's going on and why that's so loud in my head, right? So those walks really help, and it really gets a lot of energy flowing. So I like to really go on 30-minute walks. I prefer 30-minute walks because it's like you have time to really just reset and then really get back to your day, or get back to doing whatever you do. So take a walk out of your day and you'll feel a lot better, for real. So the eighth one, right, is to put on music and dance, bro. Like whenever you put on music and you can really be in the present moment and just vibe out, like it really, whenever it comes to dancing, it really runs way, way, way deeper than what people really think. And music is a form like the soul, bro. It's art, it's life. So it's like you connecting with it and you really detaching from what's going on around you. You gonna like do that on a day-to-day basis, it will turn into a good habit. So now if you in a little situation or you feeling a little stressed, put some music on there, turn it into a good habit. Now you know, okay, when I listen to this song and I start dancing, I feel better. Perspective, y'all. It's all about perspective, for real. And the last one, and the ninth one is to read or write poetry, right? Which it don't have to be poetry, it could just be journaling your thoughts, bro. Just or something like that. And then like reading over that at the same time. Like for example, if you're into manifesting real strongly, right? Like we are the creators of our life, right? So if you are trying to manifest something and you're writing it down, or you're writing down, you could write a whole story of how the 10-year version of you is chilling or something like that, whatever you're doing, and then read that out loud. It's like your subconscious mind doesn't know what's actually going on in the now and what's not actually going on. So you're kind of playing a trick on your subconscious mind to have it really show up in your life out of nowhere. Happen all of a sudden. It's manifestation. You plant the seeds out and letting go. So this was just a small list, like 9 of loving actions that you can really do to really take care of yourself. If you ever feel just anxiety, you feel down, depressed, really just do these things, because it can really just help you to detach from whatever is going on externally, and really help you to tap in with the inner, right? And just tap in with the present moment, because that's how you allow for things to really show up in your life, and you don't have to really like physically be trying to work for these things, but you just know you trust yourself, you know what I'm saying? So it really is building up like the self-trust. So this was just a little short video, not very long, of self-care menu. That's what, I'm saying, you could really call it self-care menu. So if this video was beneficial, useful in any type of way or form, leave down in the comments. Also subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications. But as always, fam, it's your boy out. Peace.